This is the DC Power Male Solder Connector 1.0mm I.D. and 3.8mm O.D. While many connectors carry power in addition to data, some connectors are used specifically to provide power connections to devices. Direct current electrical power connectors are typically connected to various power supplies for laptop computers and many other electrical devices. It is housed in a molded strain relief plastic handle for protective flexibility. Although there are multiple methods of attaching the plug to the end of the wire, it is also possible to get plugs that come pre-attached to a cable. This male barrel connector, or plug, has a 1.0mm inner diameter and 3.8mm outer diameter. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.